Hi, good morning. Happy Monday. It is the first day, first trading day for March, so I'm excited to sort of kick this month off on the right track. So let's really dive into Tesla here and break it down for you and give you guys my sentiment. And then today, okay, so with Tesla, guys, this is sort of what I'm seeing, right? I have a WXYXZ in red, finishing off all of a wave 4, coming down to finish off this correction. All right, now, there is a chance that we actually do not come all the way down to my buy levels at 250 to 180, all right? Because this could be the contender for a bottom, all right? So this could be a bottom, all right? And there's a few sort of scenarios that I want to take a look at, right? The first scenario is actually Bitcoin, because Tesla and Bitcoin have been pretty correlated with each other. And if you take a look at Bitcoin, right, for my last analysis, when Bitcoin was about 97K, I told you guys that it could come down to 80, right? And you can see that we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, WXY, and it finished off right here, right, at the tick at $80 or 80,000. So this could actually be a bottom contender for Bitcoin, right? So Tesla and Bitcoin are pretty correlated here. So you can see that if this is the bottom for Bitcoin, that could also translate to a bottom in Tesla, okay? Now, with Bitcoin, though, there are going to be some extreme levels here that you want to keep a lookout for, right? So people are going to start actually shorting this level here from 97 up to 105. So people in crypto, they're going to try to short this and actually come down to 59. All right, that's the path that they want to see, okay? And if this is the case, then you'll also see on Tesla's same thing. You'll see people starting to short around this level here, guys, right? This high at 326. And you can see this is sort of confluent across this downwards trend line, right? This trend line has been a pretty big resistance on Tesla. We've been getting lower highs, and potentially if Tesla does come up here, we could get one more lower high to bring us flushing down here, okay? And that would be a beautiful buy zone. So there is still a chance that if Tesla cannot break this 326 level, this is the main area that it needs to break, guys. Anything under here still, the path, the probable path is lower, okay, because we're making lower highs, right? So anything under 326, guys, we are not out of the woods yet. If Tesla can break above 326, right, let's say this is the low, break above 326, test the trend line, making higher lows, boom, there we go. That's beautiful. Now we have a beautiful uptrend. And for me as a trader, I'll be going in on these dips instead, okay, rather than trying to wait and catch a falling knife, okay? Now, if you're a long-term trader, this doesn't really matter to you guys, right? Because any prices around these levels, guys, you should definitely accumulate. Anything under 300, even all the way down to 180, I mean, that's a beautiful level, right? That's a beautiful level. If you take a look as well on XLY, this is consumer discretionary, right? I mentioned to you guys about consumer discretionary over and over. This is the ETF that basically holds Tesla and Amazon in it as its main holdings. And consumer discretionary is basically indicator of whether or not, you know, consumers like you and I have more income to spend on things like Amazon or new Tesla vehicle, right? So this is just discretionary income as we call it. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, WXY. And you can see we're confined to this channel. If you take a look as well, right, we ticked the 1-to-1 perfectly. So this is also bottom contender. So local bottom for sure across XLY, across Bitcoin, and across Tesla. So what we need to look out for is XLY popping back above, right, consolidating here, and then pushing up for higher highs and higher lows, right? We have a inverse head and shoulders on XLY that we're looking for. If not, guys, same thing could happen, right? We could get a failed impulsive structure like this and come down, okay, closer to here, right, about 184. So this is going to be the same thing across Amazon as well, Tesla, Bitcoin, right? So we're at the 382. So Amazon's trying to, this is a local bottom, right, trying to finish off some higher lows and higher highs, right? If not, again, we could be putting in a double correction like this. Okay, this could be a WXY. All right, so we are not out of the woods yet, guys. If we're playing Tesla here, 326 is the main number. If Tesla cannot get above 326, any bounce is actually considered a sell by traders, right? By traders and short folks that are trying to short Tesla. All right, so again, if you're an investor, no need to worry. This is just an amazing opportunity to accumulate more shares. But if you're a trader, right, like I am, what I'm waiting for is Tesla to break above 326 to confirm that this is the end of a downtrend. Wait for the dip to test back these levels. I'll buy on the dip, and then we can try to go for higher highs. Right? That is what I'm waiting for. Have a great rest of your trading week. I'll update you guys every single day. See ya.